Okay, so we are at a Goodman HVAC Heaven. We have a lot of Goodman units. Here's one that's running. These are all tall, surprisingly. I can't tell if this has a scroll or a recip. It's a 2-ton. I think from 2001. Here's something else that's running. This has a Tecumseh recip. Nice. It's from 1995. It's a 2-ton. That sounds pretty bad. It sounds like it's dying. And then a Goodman janitor with the scroll. Go by the sound of the scroll. Then this one. Yep, these use Bristol recips. Then a Goodman right here. There's the data. It's an older one. So yeah, film a few more. There are these. There's this back. Okay, here you have some more. Let's see, here's this one running. That's got a recip. I can tell by the sounds. Nice and wait, yeah, that's cool. It's a 1.5 ton from 2000. I don't know, the date codes on these things are weird. Then this one with the Copeland reciprocating compressor, and that needs to. Then a Goodman like this. I actually like these with a Copeland recip. It's been running. There's data. This Goodman Nordine. There. So yeah. Oh wait, these are heat pumps. You can see heating season performance back there. Here you have a few more Goodman units. Let's see. We'll start with this one that's running. This one's more cold air. There's data. Then this one right here, Bristol. I don't want to get the data off of these because it looks kind of sketchy with me bending down. And then here's the Payne unit right here. Copeland scroll, nice. Good unit. Let's check the date off of this Payne. There it is, 2019 1.5 ton. Here we have a Goodman with the Copeland recip that's running. Pushing out cool air. 2007, I think. Then this one with the Copeland recip. So yeah, I'll film a few more. Here you have a quiet Payne unit that's running. Copeland scroll, I can already tell by the sound. We have 2019 1.5 ton. Yeah, I really like the style of these Payne units. Like they're small and it's cool looking, I think. Here you have a Comfort Star. Motor. Copeland scroll compressor and blue coils. That's neat. Not sure where the data sheet is. But then it's Goodman with Bristol or no, it's running. Nice sounds on that one. It's actually pretty quiet. Here you have a nice quiet Payne unit that's running. It's from 2020 and it's 1.5 ton. Then a Goodman with a Copeland. That's a quiet Goodman actually. Nice sounds. Here you have another Goodman. Older one with the scroll. And then this janitorial unit. And there are a few down there. Go take a look at those. This one's got a rotary. very quiet. It's from, I don't know, but yeah, that's a nice one. Here you have another Goodman with the rotary. This one's got a nice rattle. Heat pump, 1/2 ton, 14th year. Then these two. Well, this thing just started up. That had a really loud startup. There's the data. So yeah, here you have multiple Gibson units at the community center. Rotation motor, Copeland scroll compressor. Data is too hard to get to. And then this one. Yeah, they make the data hard to get to because of this. Here's this one. There's the data. Then this unit that's got a rotary compressor, it's a pizza. Not sure it's likely a Amana. So yeah. Here you have a Goodman unit that's running. Goodman. Here's the data. I think this has a... And then this Payne unit. Copeland's girl. I can see the Copeland tag. It's shaking though. It's from 2018. Then this Payne. So yeah. Yeah, of course, right when I walk up to this Payne teardrop unit shuts off. But here it is. It's got a Bristol. It's 1/2 ton for 97. Then this Goodman. With the logo. Copeland. It's a lot like Stan's Octagon Productions. Old Goodman. Grandmother's old Goodman. So yeah. Alright, here's the Goodman janitor. Running. Here's the data. These two back there. This is gonna be the last part I do. And then this Payne unit. This data, and then that Goodman over there that's running. So yeah, thank you for watching, and it's over now.